Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. First question, on marrying a girl, from which country does one get a government job? A. China, B. America, C. Iceland, D. Russia. The correct answer is option C. Ireland. Next question, people of which country drink dog's milk? A. Mono country, B. Pakistan, C. America, D. Norway. The correct answer is option A. Mono country. Next question. Lifebuoy is a company of which country? A. India, B. China, C. United States, D. United Kingdom. The correct answer is option D. United Kingdom. Next question. In which country increasing obesity is illegal, it is believed? A. India, B. China, C. Japan, D. America. The correct answer is option C. Japan. Next question. Which of the wonders located in Agra? A. Red Fort, B. Qutub Minar, C. Jantar Mantar, D. Taj Mahal. The correct answer is option D. Taj Mahal. Next question. Which country discovered Ayurvedic medicines? A. India, B. China, C. Japan, D. America. The correct answer is option A. India. Next question. In which country was sugar discovered? A. China, B. India, C. America, D. Russia. The correct answer is option B. India. Next question. Which animal never dies and remains alive forever? A. Jellyfish, B. Bat, C. Bear, D. Lion. The correct answer is option A. Jellyfish. Next question. Who is called the queen of fruits? A. Mango, B. Lychee, C. Orange, D. Mangosteen. The correct answer is option D. Mangosteen. Next question. Which crop takes the longest time to sow and harvest? A. Wheat, B. Paddy, C. Sugarcane, D. Potato. The correct answer is option C. Sugarcane. Next question. Where is Golmar a folk dance? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Rajasthan, D. Bihar. The correct answer is option C. Rajasthan. Next question. What thing can we not carry in an aeroplane? A. Papaya, B. Banana, C. Vegetable, D. Coconut. The correct answer is option D. Coconut. Next question. Which vegetable has the most iron is found? A. Bitter gourd, B. Spinach, C. Potatoes, D. Tomato. The correct answer is option B. Spinach. Next question. The Rooster Temple is located in which state of India? A. Odisha, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Kerala, D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is option C. Kerala. Next question. In which country was the first ambulance built? A. India, B. China, C. Europe, D. Pakistan. The correct answer is option C. Europe. Next question. What color is the blood of cockroach? A. Blue, B. White, C. Black, D. Green. The correct answer is option B. White. Next question. Which is the busiest part of the human body? A. Heart, B. Hand, C. Brain, D. Feet. The correct answer is option A. Heart. Next question. Which disease is caused by drinking tea? A. Acidity, B. Sugar, C. Cancer, D. Piles. The correct answer is option A, acidity. Next question. What is the name of the national sweet of India? A. Jalebi, B. Gulab Jamun, C. Rasgola, D. Barfi. The correct answer is option A. Jalebi. Last question. Which creature cleans its ears with its tongue? A. Kangaroo, B. Giraffe, C. Monkey, D. Goat. The correct answer is option B. Giraffe. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.